Hello. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to get free resources in this mobile game. As you can see, I already have my resources and everything works fine. This method is very simple. Watch this tutorial carefully and follow all the steps and you finished it in a few minutes. Let's get started. Now jump to mobile screen records for better video quality. Open your browser, visit topgen.pro and find your game. Insert all necessary details and click the next button. Select the amount of resource and click Start Generator button. The last step is a simple verification process. Just click the Verify button and complete 2 tasks. Remember to follow the instructions below task. Let's speed up video for this process. Verification is completed. Now back to the game and check your resources. If they don't start growing after a few minutes, try to complete more tasks. Sometimes some of them don't count properly.